Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix issues with installing Fortnite on iOS in 2024. The first thing you need to have in mind is that these options are only available in European Union at the moment, so if you are not in European Union, it might not work for you. Then the second thing you need to check is your iOS version. To check it, go to Settings and General, Software Update, and see your iOS version. If it says iOS 17.6.1 or newer, then you may install Fortnite. But if it doesn't, you'll need to update your iOS here. If your iOS isn't up to date, it will show install update. Then exit out of settings, and I'm gonna show you two ways to install Fortnite. And if the first one doesn't work, then try the second one. The first one is to go to Safari and search for epic.download. epic.download, go. And it will redirect you here where you can install, click on install on iOS, then OK on app installation, and go to settings then, and go to the main settings, allow apps from Epic Games, allow, confirm with your Face ID or passcode, and then go back to the browser and click on install. Install App Marketplace and confirm with your Face ID or passcode. Now, when you go back to your home screen, you can see that Epic Games Store is being installed. Then you can open it, accept the license, and you can find Fortnite. I'm currently using an iPhone XR, and you can see that this device is not supported, so I cannot install it via this way, but I'm gonna show you another way which may work. But if this way works, this is an official way, and try this first. The next way, if Epic Games Store doesn't work, is go to Safari and search for altstore.io. Then click on Get Altstore, and under Downloads find altstore PAL, which works only in the European Union. Click on Download, then check if in settings allowing has appeared. It hasn't for me. In that case, if this doesn't appear, try clicking on download a few times. Then OK, and go to settings, and you can see allow apps from altstore has appeared. You can click on it, then allow, confirm with your Face ID or passcode, and then go back to the browser and click on download. This pop-up will show up, and click on install App Marketplace. Try Face ID again. In my case, okay, I'm gonna enter the passcode. And now you can see that altstore is being installed. Open the altstore after it's installed, and then go to Sources, click on a plus here, and find Epic Games. Click on a plus, add source, then go to Browse and find Fortnite. If you can't find it here, try searching for it in the search bar. Click on Free, then install Fortnite, install app, and confirm with your Face ID or passcode. You can see that it started downloading. You'll need to wait a while. And when you can click on open, then open Fortnite, and you can see that it opens Fortnite. And now it's downloading. It may take a lot of time because that's 13 gigabytes in my case. And then after it downloads, you can click on login with Epic Games account. So you'll need to log in with your Epic Games account, and then you can play Fortnite. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.